Good morning. We are down at Palm Beach this morning. It's very, very hot. It's like 31 degrees today.
Very humid as well.
In Fahrenheit, I have no idea what that is, but we thought we'd get out here early to do the Palm Beach Lighthouse hike.
Yeah, my first time, so we'll see how it goes.
Yanni's first time. I've done this probably 5 times.
5 times?
It is quite hard, but yeah, it's just one of the iconic Sydney things to do.
Exactly.
If you have time, come for like a half-day trip up to Palm Beach, I would say. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful area of Sydney. It is just, you've got the beach one side and then I guess you call it a bay, the other side.
Yeah.
Lots of people jet skiing and on boats, and heaps of people out here on a weekend walking, and it's just so beautiful. You can hear the waves crashing in the background.
Very good start to our day.
It is.
We have a big day planned as well.
Yeah, but we just want to. We are going to go to the city, I think, but for now we just want to get some exercise in and have a bit of fun, and hopefully don't die on the way up there, because it is a little bit hard. It's a lot of stairs. Anyway,
come join us.
Come join us. We'll take you along. It goes up pretty fast. Like
it does. In 2 minutes.
I know. Puffing, sweating.
Not
Stairs.
me, that's all you.
Stairs really get me.
At least you have an easy way back.
I know, that's true. I don't know about you, but stairs are the hardest exercise for me, I think. I'd rather run hills, do anything else but stairs, but
You don't like stairs, eh?
no. Whew.
And a cool place, a big landing. It'd be cool to see.
Okay.
Go check it out.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure. It'd be cool. Very nice. View.
Oh. Made it to the top of Palm Beach Lighthouse. I'm very hot and sweaty. I'm gonna head back down now, but just wanted to show you. Yeah, we should go for a swim, hey? Heading back out of the spot that we
Down.
found ourselves in. Sorry, left, right.
Straight.
Straight is in the left.
Yeah, left. Yeah. Just keep left again.
Go for a swim, Palm Beach, because Lord knows I'm sweating places you don't want to know. So if you're coming to Sydney, you definitely need to add Palm Beach Lighthouse to your bucket list.
Definitely.
It is absolutely beautiful, and there's so much to do up here. And it's just a nice day out.
It is very nice, very humid, but
Very
I'd rather
humid,
be humid than pouring down rain, so that's
We're
good.
gonna go get a little something to drink,
Yes,
have a swim, but
exactly.
well worth the trip up the mountain.
Well worth it.
All right, so these are two of my besties. Say hi.
Hi.
This one's a mother of 3. She just had her third, and it's a girl,
Yeah.
Brady. So she's
So
what,
cute.
3 weeks old?
Yeah.
And then this one is pregnant. So she's due in March, early March. And so they're both kind of in baby world.
And you're in full-time auntie mode. I am not
Yeah.
having any more kids.
Yeah, we've known each other a long time. I was
Well,
a
that's
bridesmaid
over
at
10
Laura's
years, right?
wedding. That was
You
good
were?
fun. We both were. So that was.
You were?
You've been married for what, 6 years, and you've been married
Almost,
for
yeah.
like 9. Is that
9
right?
this year, 10 next year. Oh my god.
10 years
Really?
married, jeez.
Oh, true.
That is actually crazy.
You probably would have been a bridesmaid if we'd met earlier.
Yeah. Anyway, but just wanted to introduce you to these two.
Now
I'm sure you'll
it's
see more of them.
Now it's my turn to shove food in my mouth. You ready? Right back. Oh, the action. Right back.
So excited for COLDPLAY tonight. Heading out now. Heading for the station, and it's going to be the best night. Can't wait.
Oh, damn. Damn.